chicas, I'm going to be showing you how to do beautiful effortless touches in 7 simple steps, so stick around to the end of the video to learn how. Alright guys, so we're going to do step 1, of course, washing your hair and drying it with a towel. Of course, you can see my hair is a mess. So step 2, you're going to brush your hair out and get all those knots out. Step 3, you're going to part your hair down the middle and separate your hair into 2. So the first product we're going to be applying is a curling cream. And you only have to use about a dime size on each side. And I use actually a little bit more than a dime size just because of my hair being so long as it is. Alright, now that we're done with that one, we're going to do our second product, which is a coconut oil, and you're just going to do the same dime size amount. And you're going to do the same to both sides. And you want to make sure you want to rub that into your scalp and into your roots just to make it go in evenly. Alright, so step 5, you're going to separate your hair into 4 pieces. And on this part, you can actually use a regular hair tie. You'd need 4, of course, or you can use little tiny rubber bands. And I actually prefer the tiny rubber bands. Alright, so we're going to start with our first braid. And this, you just want to make sure you have your piece in the front. And you're just going to start braiding like any other kind of braid. Alright, so now that we're done with that braid, you're just going to do the same to all 4 pieces of your hair. So 1 down, 3 to go. So now that we're done braiding our hair, we're going to start rolling our braids into buns so that way they hold in place. You just want to secure it with a bobby pin. And this step actually really helps if you have layers, so that way your layers don't start peeking out of the braid. So now that that part is done, we're just going to let it dry overnight. Alright guys, so it's the next day. So you're just going to take out the bobby pins and unroll your braids. Once that part is done, you're going to start taking out the rubber bands, or if you used hair ties, take out your hair ties, and you just start undoing the braids. And I just love this hairstyle. It's so easy. You just undo the braids in the morning and you're just done and set to go. Alright guys, there is our wave. Part is optional. You can run your fingers through it and separate the waves more if you want. here's our finished product. We have our effortless beach waves in 7 simple steps. Alright guys, if this video helped you in any way, like and comment down below and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye guys!